Today we're in Central Park, located in Bradenton, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a 3-car garage. The address is 4808 Boston Common, Glen. The entryway and main living is all tile. To your right here, you have an office. This room could easily be used as an office. Also to the right here, you have the formal dining room that leads into a very large living area. Open floor plan, kitchen, gas appliances. Down this hall, you have the laundry room, washer and dryer with a utility sink, second bedroom, full bathroom, third bedroom, back out to the living area, screened in lanai, nice patio outside. To enjoy the sunsets. Come through here, we have another bathroom with a walk-in shower and door leading to the lanai. This here is your 4th bedroom. I'm going to take you across the living room now to the master. Spacious master, lots of windows. Hall leading with 2 walk-in closets on each side. Very nice size shower. Leading back out from the master to the main living area. For more information, go to our website, choosegulfcoast.com.